Okay, so last time we talked about basic voice lessons. Bakit ako nag-start?
Ilak ko na ikaw. Ayan. Patiginin mo na rin.
Okay. Hello! Welcome back to Basic by Kurin Aglamas. As promised, I'm going to teach basic vocal warm-up or vocalizations. I'm going to have it. The first two exercises will be your breathing exercises. The second one would be for your vocal exercises. Now, these are just quick, easy steps. If you have a few minutes in a day, you can practice because that is really the key. Practice, practice, practice. Inhale, exhale. Again, that's inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now deep inhale, deep exhale. Big inhale, small exhale. Buzz sound is so you can control the air inside of your diaphragm. Remember, when you do this vocal warm-up, you should start low and you have to contain the air at your diaphragm. And when I say contain, it means don't release all the air that is inside of your diaphragm. You have to learn how to control to release the air. Inhale and go.
It is good to do this if you have a timer. Like if you have a friend or your sister or your brother, you can say, can you count through your fingers, or you can see the seconds on your watch. Let us try 5 seconds. Inhale and
Go. Okay, that was 5 seconds. Now you try. Inhale and go. And stop. Breathe out. Another one. Inhale and go. And stop. Inhale and go. Stop. Now it's your turn. Ready? Inhale and go. Stop. One more time. Inhale and go. Stop. Good job.
feel free to pause this video at any moment so you can try it at your house or wherever you are. Alright? You can do 15 seconds, you can do 20 seconds.
When you feel dizzy or lightheaded, please stop first, and you might end up getting cramps on your body. So if you do so, please get a brown paper bag and just normally breathe. This is first aid when you have like cramps all over your body. Those pins and needles, that is because you lack oxygen, and that probably it's your first time to do this breathing exercise. So please take it easy. Aww. If you cannot do 10 seconds or 15 seconds, please try 5 seconds. Until then, when you get used to it, you will be able to do more. Lip roll. This exercise is usually used by professionals who has less time to prepare, or if they're on the makeup seat or just wanted to have a quick vocal warm-up, they do this thing. So to be able to do this, I'd want you to bring up your two pointing fingers and put it at the edge of your mouth. And inhale. Inhale. Don't forget to inhale. Your turn. And breathe. Good job. Next. Going down. Great. So if you're having a hard time to do that, please feel free to pause this video at any moment and you can practice, and then when you feel like you can do it already, you can rewind this video and do it again. It is very powerful exercise and it's easy, trust me. You can do it in the toilet, wherever you are in the office. If you're being asked to sing abroad, and by that I mean you only have 5 minutes, you can do this very quick, very easy, and it opens your vocal cords. This is what your vocal cords look like on the inside. So it opens up when we do vocalizations. Classic ah.
I call this a classic ah because we often hear it. Maybe you heard it one time in your life, but if you're new, that's okay.
It's the classic ah. So that is a legato in there. And please don't forget to breathe in or inhale and go ah. Don't forget your mouth opening. The higher it gets, the wider. Now, if the pitch is too high for you, then you can use falsetto or the false voice. But if you still can use your natural tone or your natural voice, please do so. It is better. My voice teacher told me the more natural your voice is, the better, because also you are exercising your diaphragm to its maximum potential and at the same time your vocal cords. If today you cannot reach a certain pitch, if you keep on exercising, then in the future you can reach that higher pitch. And inhale. Ah. Inhale. Ah. Don't forget your mirror. Ah. Open your mouth. Ah. Inhale. Ah. And shift it to falsetto. Ah. Inhale. Ah. Continue. Open your mouth. Inhale. Inhale. Going down. Good. If you can play the keyboard or the piano, that would be good. You can start from your minor, going to your major, start from C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and you can do some classic vocal warm-up. But if you cannot play the keyboard, that's okay. You can log on to youtube.com and you can search some basic vocal warm-up. You can search some basic breathing exercises that could help you improve your vocal. And of course, open your vocal box. By the way, if you're a worship leader and you're watching this, I hope that this could be a tool for you to improve some skills in there, especially when it comes to pitch and tempo, and give our best to God. Amen? We have a new friend, a new subscriber. He has requested on how to use the voice techniques, and I want to make a separate video from his request because I would want to explain further, and at the same time you will see me doing a cover of the song Via Dolorosa because I have used a lot of techniques in that song and I would want to share it. Hope you could also watch it. Thank you so much for watching Voice Lessons Part 2, Vocal Warm-Up or Vocalizations.
Again, if you have some comments, questions, please don't be shy and comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Or if you have some requests, please don't be shy. God bless you, God loves you, and nothing is impossible.